Hey loves, in today's video, I am trying out the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I purchased a set that comes with a free pair of lashes. This is such a cool concept. I am really excited to try it out. I will be incorporating the Kiss Lash Glue Liner and the lashes into this super easy winter themed eye makeup. I purchased the Kiss Lash Glue Liner from Walmart for $8.97. The Lash Glue Liner came in a limited edition set along with a pair of their lashes in the style Adore. There were several different styles to choose from, but I chose Adore because it was my favorite one. Here is a close-up of the liner's applicator along with a swatch. It is so pigmented. I will be creating today's makeup look using my Profusion Festival palette. I am starting off this eye look by highlighting my brow bone with the shade Winning using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. With my Start Mini Blending Brush, I am applying Bossy directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I am using my Beauty Accents Blending Eyeshadow Brush to smooth the line where Winning and Bossy meet. I am using the LA Colors Contour Stick and Highlighter to highlight my brow bone. I am gently patting Winning into my lid using my Bazic Beauty Eyeshadow Brush. This eyeliner was so easy to use. I really like the felt tip applicator that made the whole process go a lot smoother, and the pigmentation is amazing. It is a rich dark black. I love it. Another thing I would like to point out about this product is that it has a thin, lightweight formula that did not feel bulky on my lid at all. I applied a thin coat of the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara to my natural lashes. Now I am applying the Kiss False Lash in the style Adore. This lash is so cute. The band fit perfectly. I did not have to trim it, and I really like how wispy and voluminous it is. After putting the lash exactly where I wanted it, it felt very secure. I am adding more liner because I'm going to apply some rhinestones from the beauty supply store. I thought that these rhinestones would make a nice addition to the blue shadows that I'm going to put on the lower part of my eye. I am blending wavy along my lower lash line using the Aloe E115. I am lining my waterline with the LA Colors Duo Eyeshadow Pencil in Teal Steel. I am now pressing the shade Atlantis into that liner using my Bazic Beauty Small Eyeshadow Brush. Now I'm coating my bottom lashes with mascara. I am using my Bazic Beauty Small Eyeshadow Brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with Geode. I decided to put some rhinestones underneath my eye as well, and I used the Kiss Eye Envy Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in Clear. I love how this look came out with the different shades of blue, and I think the rhinestones added that extra touch that made this look really festive. I totally recommend the Kiss Lash Glue Liner, especially if you can find it in this limited edition set with the free lashes. It has a smooth application, a rich black color, and once I placed my lash where I wanted it, it felt very secure. Now, while I didn't have this liner on for long, at the most it was probably 2 hours, My lash did feel secure, but the wing part of my liner never fully dried. It was still kind of sticky. Have you tried the Kiss Lash Glue liner? If so, let me know what you thought of it down below in a comment. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this look, and until next time, bye loves!